Welcome to the tutorial on how to apply for services in Fisheries and Animal Resources Development Department online. As first steps, you can visit the Odisha One portal by entering the website on your web browser as odisha1.gov.in and apply for services. You can also visit the Directorate website as Odisha AH&VS.nic.in and click on Apply Online and Apply Online for Animal Husbandry Schemes button. You can also look at the Fisheries Directorate website, which is odishafisheries.nic.in, and apply for fishery schemes online, where you will be redirected to the F&ARD website. Finally, you can visit the Fisheries and Animal Resources Development Department website, click on Schemes, select Fisheries and Animal Husbandry schemes, and view the list of schemes that are applicable in this year. Corresponding to every scheme, you can read the brief description of the scheme, detailed guidelines, check out the IEC poster of the scheme, and finally apply for the scheme. The first step that you should follow when you are applying for a service in Fisheries and Animal Resources Development Department is to visit the website fardodisha.gov.in. Click on Schemes. Select the type of schemes that you want to apply for. Look at the list of the schemes that are applicable this year. Select the scheme that you want to apply for and click on View under Brief Description of the scheme. When you click on View, a new document will open, which will have details of the scheme, such as aim, objective, eligibility of the farmer, details related to the scheme, the kind of support that will be provided from the department, list of documents that are required to apply for the scheme, process for approving subsidy or providing subsidy, process of tracking the application, and district-wise target of the scheme if applicable. Once you think you are eligible for the scheme and are satisfied with all the details, go back to the website and click on Guidelines of the scheme. Here, you can look at the detailed guidelines of the scheme, look at the modalities and target beneficiaries and all other details that will be required. Once you understand the modalities of the scheme and understand how this will operate, click on the button Apply next to the scheme. When you click on Apply, you will be redirected to a new website where you can register yourself, apply for the service, or track application status. The next step for you is to register yourself on the portal. For this, visit the FARD Odisha website, click on Schemes. Next, select the scheme and click on Apply. Once you have read the brief description and guidelines of the scheme, you will know the documents that you need to keep ready when you are applying and registering yourself. Click on Apply. Here you will see a button Register Yourself. Click on Register Yourself. Enter your full name. For training purposes, I am entering values as test. Enter a valid email ID that you have access to because you will get notifications regarding your applications on the same. Enter a valid mobile number. Please ensure that this number is in handy and can be accessed by you. Next, select a password. Next, select the state as Odisha. Enter the captcha that you see on the screen and click on submit. Enter the correct captcha value and click on submit. Please ensure that when you are entering a password, the password has a capital letter, small letters, numeric values, and a special character. Once you have registered yourself, once you have sent a registration request, you will get an OTP with a verification link to the email ID as well as the phone number. This OTP on your phone number will be valid only for 15 minutes. You will have to enter the OTP that you receive on the email. As well as your phone number. Once this has been validated, you may use your phone number or email ID and password or OTP to log in. Next, click on Apply for Service to apply for services. Visit the F&ARD Odisha website again. Select the scheme, go to the scheme section. Select the scheme sector, Fisheries or Animal Husbandry. Select the scheme name for which you wish to apply. Click on Apply. Now that you have registered yourself, click on Apply for Service. You can enter the email ID or mobile number that you had used to register yourself. In this video, I am using the email ID that I had used to register my account. Enter the password that you had selected. Enter the captcha and click on Login. Here you will see the application form that you need to fill. Enter all the details that have been mentioned in the application form. For more details, visit the next section of the video. Once you have selected your service and have logged in, click on Apply for Service. Enter all the details in the application form, such as name of the farmer, gender, accurate mobile number on which you wish to receive updates, your Aadhaar number, date of birth, category, your accurate email ID, and attach a picture. To attach a photograph, click on Choose File and select an image, a JPEG image, which should be less than 250 KB. If you select a file which is greater than 250 KB, you will get a notification saying it should be less than 250 KB. Please ensure that you are clearly visible in the photograph. If you do not have a picture, you can click on the camera button on the screen and take a picture with your own web camera. Next, select the district in which you want to apply for, block, GP, village. Next, select the application processing address. Your application will go to the district officer of this district and the block officer of this block. Enter all other details such as self-finance, bank loan, area, khata number, plot number, etc. that you see on the screen. Click on I agree on the declaration given on the screen. Enter the CAPTCHA that you see and click on submit. You can verify all the details that you have mentioned, and if you need to edit the form, click on edit. You will again go back to the application form where you can edit all your details. Once verified, click on I agree. Again, enter the CAPTCHA that you see on the screen. Click on submit. Next, click on attach annexure. Attach the required documents such as land lease document, Aadhaar card xerox copy, passbook first page, etc. Choose the file. You can also fetch your documents from DigiLocker by signing into the account. You can also click on Scan button and connect your scanner and scan the document and attach the same on the portal. Once you have attached all the necessary documents, click on Save Annexure. Again, verify all the details, see the annexures attached by you, and click on Submit. Once you click on Submit, you will get an acknowledgement receipt with the application number that can be used for tracking purposes. You can print or export this acknowledgement receipt to PDF and keep this file safe in your laptop or computer. Click on Close. Your application has been submitted and you can track your services in the future. To track the application status of your application, visit the Service Plus website. Enter the website, the address that you see on the screen, serviceonline.gov.in. Click on Login. Enter the credentials that you had used to create your email ID, your account. Enter the password that you had chosen. Enter the CAPTCHA that you see on the screen. Once you log in, click on View Status of Application. Click on Track Application Status. You can narrow down the results of the applications using the date filter. I have selected the date range from 31st August to 17th October. You can also use your application reference number and search for your application using this reference number that you see in your acknowledgement receipt. If you don't remember your application number, select the date range and click on Get Data. You will see the application that is pending, the status of this application as initiated, the due date of the application. Click on Initiated. You can view your application form and download the same. Once this application is processed by the department, the status of the application will change accordingly. In case you have to upload a document again, or if you need to re-verify your details, you will receive a notification and you can log in and click on this initiated or under processing as per the situation and perform the necessary steps. Thank you for watching this tutorial.